To display the rotate button on the navigation bar on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so you can use it to rotate the screen only when needed without having to turn on auto rotate feature. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen by using 2 fingers to open up the quick panel. Long tap portrait button, and then tap the gray on off switch next to show rotate button on navigation bar until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap done button. To see the result, open an app. Next, hold your phone in landscape view like this. As you can see, when the phone detects that you have rotated it, a small rotate icon appears on the navigation bar. Tap the button to manually rotate the screen. Now, hold your phone in portrait view like this. The screen will keep in landscape view until you rotate it manually by tapping the rotate button. Given to the function, you can enable this feature so you can control screen rotation only when needed and prevent accidental rotation that can happen with auto rotate turned on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.